Hey guys, this is Bonnie, Communications Director for MarineMax Sailandski. Come check out this boat with me.
The 2019 Sea Ray SPX 19 in beautiful Arctic white is a great boat for families that want to get out on the water. It comes equipped with all of your standard options such as hydraulic tilt steering, power tilt and trim, auto bilge pump, ski and wakeboard storage, cup holders, and stainless steel cleats. Some upgraded features include battery on-off switch, a depthfinder, stainless steel upgrade for all the finishes, an upgraded 150 horsepower 4-stroke Mercury outboard, and sea deck on the swim platform. This boat is priced to include the trailer.
Thanks for joining me on this boat walkthrough. If you're interested in this model or any other boats in our inventory, you can visit us at our website or come visit at any one of our 3 locations in Austin, San Antonio, and Lakeway. This is Bonnie, and I will see you at the lake.